On this episode of Bad Tree Productions, we work on the old behind-the-scenes vehicle, the old war wagon. She needs a new water pump.
Big red rocket's leaking.
You're supposed to be the cameraman. All you do is drink beer.
Thirsty.
Yeah. I'm gonna call him up and say, hey, is there stuff missing out of this kit?
I don't think there's stuff missing out of that kit. Does that say Hemi on the kit or not? It says 5.9. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's probably a little different.
Hey, calling O'Reilly Auto Parts. How can I help you?
This is Blake. I just came over and rented a clutch fan tool.
Okay.
I think you guys gave me the wrong one. It doesn't have the pins to hold the pulley itself.
Give me 1 second, I'm gonna put you on hold.
Alright.
Yeah, the one you need is actually one that we sell, we don't rent it.
Now we're just gonna have to come over there and give you guys shit every time.
Yeah.
Put a bolt through that hole, put a chain there, and put a nut.
I was wondering if you rent the clutch fan tool for a 5.7 Hemi.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the only one I have for the sale and the pulley, just in the purchase in a Lyle brand.
How much is
And
that?
that's the only one that has like knobs on it to put into the water pump.
Okay.
And then I think we really don't know water. You probably cut you a little break anyways. About 19 bucks.
19 bucks, that ain't bad, okay.
Alright, brother. Take care.
Car.
You set her on the counter or
Yeah, how late are you open till?
7 o'clock?
7?
An
Alright.
hour and a half.
Alrighty. I'll be over. Thanks, man.
Yep, no problem. Thank you.
Bye. And we got the new water pump. Right here. What? What the heck's going on?
You get to unbox again. There you go.
You gotta be.
How dare you? Oh, it comes with a pulley. Sweet. All right, Ida.
That's a nice looking unit right there.
The water pump looks good too. We're gonna do what we did with the old Ford and set this and then put the bolts back in as we take them out, then transfer to old pump, because there's multiple different lengths and accessories go on here, and it's just easier to keep track of it that way.
Well, before I leave, I'm gonna install the new thermostat, and that's an easy job because it's right here and it's just okay. Yeah, new gasket. Okay, installed.
Because you gotta take this off, and then the fan and the shroud comes off together. You know, because you can't wiggle the fan out. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that's bad.
That's the problem.
That's why Chrysler puts a weep hole in the bottom of them, so you can see that they're going bad, so it doesn't just go bad on you. So
Chevys do too.
do they?
I had a 350 and an old Cutlass, and the weep hole was on the top, and it started weeping, so I put orange Permatex in the weep hole.
Oh yeah.
So it fixed it for a long, long time.
Oh, that's a Chevy. You can do that stuff.
Yeah. Just make sure you don't ever go over to because never has the right parts. So don't go to.
Thank you, Advance. Let's take this box of junk back. Well, thank you, Advanced, for the right tool. We got her on the run now. Oh, now I gotta go to a fire meeting. I gotta get sized for my new turnout gear, so. Now, present Jeremy and future Blake will continue on.
It work?
Yeah, it's the looseness.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
I won! Jeremy!
Winner, winner.
I won!
He won! Well, you better get a freaking drain pan of sorts.
Okay.
All right, I'll see what I can do, mate.
I'll be back as soon as I can.
Yeah. Me and Blake were looking at them fancy pliers. Ouch! For these hose clamps the other day. We didn't get them, but we were looking at them.
Sometimes I wonder if it would have made my life easier.
Oh, snuff them out with a pillow all them years ago. What, Blake? Oh, jeez.
No. Fancy pliers.
Oh. Or break it. There it went. Make sure the lens is clean. Ready? Well, I suppose we can tip this up. Okay, where's it all going? Not in the box. Everywhere. That's all right. We'll get the neighbor's dog over to clean it up. Okay, got lower hose off. I'm gonna pop these two heater core hoses off. And then it's just gonna be unbolting all these little bitty bolts. Transfer them over. I also took off the tensioner and the idler, which strangely enough bolt to the water pump. Like I said, we'll transfer everything over to this pump. Put the old pump there. Put everything back on the old pump. Put the new pump on. Then pull from the old so everything lines back up. Alright, look at that. Oh, and we didn't put our radiator box back. That's right. Oops. We'll get some floor dry. Now, get your finger unstuck. We gotta switch water neck over. And we'll put all these bolts into this one. Can you? Yeah. Shot. All right, fresh battery, water pump is off. What are you doing, Tyler? Cleaning the gasket surface?
Scraping her a little.
Yeah, it is an O-ring gasket, but still we're gonna clean it up. Got the all the bolts transferred back to the old pump. So as we place new pump on, we can orientate old bolt, new hole. New thermostat. We have to reuse the housing. Other than that, everything looks pretty copacetic. That thermostat is just goosed.
Thermostat comes with its own gasket.
Yeah, thermostat comes with its own gasket. That's kind of neat.
Built in.
Me and Tyler were just discussing how water pumps used to have 4 bolts that held them on. And you would change them just for the practice. Not so anymore. 1 bolt at a time. Because everyone's different. That one's below. And what you got to do is run them in, not even all the way, because you still have to move this water pump around. See how it kind of wiggles around? You got to move it around to get them all in, and then you can start tightening them down. So we'll just keep doing that. All right, Blake's back.
Yeah, I got my turnout gear fitted up.
Apparently the guy says he can do America's Next Top Ninja in the new turnout gear. It's that comfortable.
There's movement where there used to not be movement.
That's what we need these guys to have, is movement for sure.
I used to almost need a trampoline to get up on the bumper of the fire truck. Now I can step up on it.
So I'm not allowed to torque aluminum things, so he stepped in. He's gonna go ahead and ratchet everything back together. As you see, we got the new O-ring gasket installed, the water thermostat installed. We just gotta slam hers backs together. More green stuff back in the radiator. And I don't know, it looks like one battery. 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 It's old.
Battery.
It's still cranking the old hemispherical over though.
I should have told Annie the motor was blown up.
We could just do it in a duster.
Yeah. That's what my plan was.
Yeah.
I like that idea. Hear that bell? Hit the notification.
Yeah. Hey, go ahead and hit the bell. A shameless plug. Shameless.
Oh.
All right. Get everything slammed back together. Results shall continue. What?
Full washer fluid light came on.
Oh no. That is smooth as a cat. This could be yours for the low, low price of $14,000. Look at this beautiful Hemi. And that guy comes with it. He will clean your pool. All right, got the overflows back on.
Yep. All we got to do now is hook up our little sweet electrical connections.
Yes, that tell us when and where we're losing stuff.
Hey, they work though.
Yeah.
It told me I was low on washer fluid.
As soon as you unplugged it.
That one snapped in.
You guys probably ain't even seeing all this.
No. Now you can see it.
Toy.
My arm out of the way. Grab my phone so it doesn't get smashed by the hood. Yes.
Take her out in the driveway, let her come up temp, check fluids again. Get thermostat opened.
If we were a shop, how much time did it take us?
Well, it took us a lot longer because we struggled with the fan. Wrong tool.
We rented the wrong tool that we were told was the tool that we needed. But as soon as we opened the box, we knew we were going to be in for a fight.
Yeah, not good. Oh, yeah, horrible, terrible.
Yucky!
So
Thermostat
invested, yeah, thermostat looked pretty poochy.
Blowing out.
But invested the tool,
$25 with tax.
pump, 65.
65.
Free shipping.
Free shipping from Rock Auto. Jug of antifreeze.
Couple jugs of antifreeze.
$10, $13 a piece. We got one 50/50 laying around, one straight. Distilled water.
Yep. And then, so yeah, Hundo.
Thermostat.
Thermostat,
16 bucks.
16, 18 bucks.
Yes. So we're just around hovering about $100 plus our fun time that we get to have wrenching on stuff. We don't even call it shop time.
Yeah, a little over Hundo, a little bit of time, and not really that difficult at all. I didn't think so.
Common sense.
Nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
Everything is.
The whole car is made out of basically nuts and bolts.
Looked up some ShopQ stuff, and average rates throughout the country is $230 to $600 if you were to pay for had this done.
So don't be afraid to get out there and do it yourself. Like you said, it's just nuts and bolts. Anybody can do it. All right, gang. This was an unexpected video.
Maintenance.
Maintenance, yes, we need it.
Maintenance.
But God bless that Ram's heart for giving us content to share with you.
Every time, all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, we'll be back again. Keep watching. I'm really glad everyone enjoyed the wife's
girls,
video.
yeah.
That was cool.
The
They're
girls.
super stoked. They're so excited.
They were all by themselves except for the first tire being taken off. Jeremy was running the camera, then he said, "You guys got it? I'm out of here."
That was exactly true.
And I
They
was at work, so.
they came in and asked me twice if the bolts were tight enough. Off camera, I checked. Super tight. They were tight enough. They're super stoked about that. Thanks, guys, for that.
Good job, girls.
Good job, girls. Yeah. Love you both.
Yeah. So, hey, thanks for coming back like always. We really appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys, we're up above 60 subscribers now.
That's awesome.
So
awesome.
Keep sharing it with your friends, and we'll continue to pump out content. We appreciate it. Merry Christmas, and
Happy Christmas. No.
happy holiday.
Merry
Christmas.
Xmas. New Year's and stuff like that.
New Year's is coming
Oh
up,
yeah,
so.
we gotta do a New Year's shot.
Yeah, we can probably do something for the end of the year.
Right.
So, anyway, you guys take it easy and keep coming back
Next time.
next time.
See ya.
See ya!
The Pro Pour.
Pro.
Jesus, I paid money for that. Did you do that on purpose?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. There's a Pro Pour.
All right, a little more green stuff. Oh, wait. So when you pour your antifreeze, you're careful.
I mean,
And when you pour my antifreeze,
what are you trying to say?
I'm just trying to say, be a little more careful, Blake. Did
God dang it!
I get the shot? I got the shot!
Okay,
Who keeps shaking the truck?
damn it. That's like 5 cents worth of antifreeze I just spilled. Oh, that's it.
I would like to thank the Academy for this award.